Good day. In this question, we are asked to identify if the temperature at a triple point higher or lower than the normal melting point. So, gallium is a unique metal of the periodic table. It has a very melting point, low melting point, which is around 29.76 degrees Celsius. So, it melts slightly above so it melts slightly above the room temperature. If you take a piece into a hand, it will melt. So since the density of liquid gallium is larger than the density